Learn English to Gujarati connectors. Herewith, therefore, thus and.
તેમ છતાં.
Welcome, brave word detective. Today you are not just learning vocabulary. You are chasing slippery little logic words that hold whole sentences together. Welcome, my friend. Today we learn a charming gang of English words and their Gujarati partners. Herewith is.
આ સાથે.
Sweetness is.
મીઠીન.
Therefore is.
એથી.
Thus is.
આથી.
As a result is.
પરિણામે.
Nevertheless is.
તેમ છતાં.
And indeed is.
ખરેખર.
These are the words that make you sound thoughtful, dramatic, formal, and occasionally like a very confident lawyer who also enjoys mango dessert. The office of overly serious pigeons. Let us begin with the most formal bird mail in history. Yes, pigeons have paperwork now. In the Great Pigeon Post Office, Manager Pigeon clears his throat and announces, I.
આ સાથે.
Send the documents. That means, herewith. A smaller pigeon adds.
આ સાથે.
We confirm the agreement. Very official, very feathered. When you hear.
આ સાથે.
Imagine handing over a file, an attachment, or a receipt. It means something like, with this, or herewith. Try it aloud. Please find the receipt.
આ સાથે.
Single quote. If you forget it, imagine a cat mailing a fish in an envelope stamped.
આ સાથે.
Somehow, that usually helps. A sudden dessert emergency. Now we leave the office and enter the kitchen, where logic becomes sugar. You taste tea and say, ah, it has a gentle.
મીઠીન.
That word means sweetness. You bite into a mango and whisper, I remember the.
મીઠીન.
Of mango. That sounds poetic and also slightly hungry. In your mind, connect.
મીઠીન.
With honey, jalebi, dessert, and tea with just enough sugar to make your soul forgive Monday. Say it with me, sweetness is.
મીઠીન.
Mini joke. A cake goes to school because it wants to study.
મીઠીન.
The teacher says, you are already very qualified. Cause meets result. Here comes the logic parade. One thing happens, another follows, and the connector walks in like it owns the place. Therefore is.
એથી.
Example, it was raining.
એથી.
We stayed home. Thus is.
આથી.
Example, the road was closed.
આથી.
We took another path. As a result is.
પરિણામે.
Example, he studied hard.
પરિણામે.
He passed the exam. All three words connect cause and consequence. They are cousins, slightly formal cousins, the kind who arrive on time and bring labeled folders. Memory trick. See two dominoes. The first one falls. The second one falls too. Floating between them is either.
એથી. આથી.
Or.
પરિણામે.
Tiny drama, big determination. But what if life is difficult and you continue anyway? Ah yes, now we need attitude. Nevertheless is.
તેમ છતાં.
Example, it was raining.
તેમ છતાં.
We went outside. Another one, the task was hard.
તેમ છતાં.
She finished it. This word has determination in it. It says, yes, there is a problem. No, I am not impressed. Imagine a heroic cat in the rain, shaking one paw dramatically and saying.
તેમ છતાં.
Before marching toward dinner. The stamp of truth. Now let us confirm things with style. Not just yes, not just really. We want full dramatic certainty. Indeed is.
ખરેખર.
Example, it is.
ખરેખર.
True. Example.
ખરેખર.
This helps a lot. When you say.
ખરેખર.
Imagine a judge stamping a page. Confirmed, true, accepted, no nonsense. Say it slowly once.
ખરેખર.
Good. You now sound like someone who verifies reality for a living. Mini dialogue circus. Time to hear the words in action. Listen for the connector, then repeat. A. Did you send the form? B. Yes.
આ સાથે.
I sent the receipt too. A. How is the tea? B. It has nice.
मीठीन.
A. Why are you late? B. The bus broke down.
एथी.
I walked. A. Why did you change routes? B. The street was closed.
आथी.
We went another way. A. Why is the field muddy? B. It rained a lot.
परिणामे.
Nobody can play there. A. The weather is terrible. B.
તેમ છતાં.
Let's go. A. Is it true? B. Yes.
ખરેખર.
Quick challenge. You are up. I give the English word, you say the Gujarati. Try before the answer arrives. Herewith.
આ સાથે.
Sweetness.
મીઠીન.
Therefore.
એથી.
Thus.
આથી.
As a result.
પરિણામે.
Nevertheless.
તેમ છતાં.
Indeed.
ખરેખર.
Your final funny memory map. Let us glue everything together into one ridiculous scene, because ridiculous scenes are surprisingly educational. Picture this. A pigeon lawyer says,
આ સાથે.
I send the contract. Then he eats mango cake and praises its.
મીઠીન.
It starts raining.
એથી.
He opens an umbrella. The road is blocked.
આથી.
He climbs onto a goat taxi. The goat sneezes.
પરિણામે.
The contract flies away.
તેમ છતાં.
The pigeon continues the chase. At the end he catches the papers and says,
ખરેખર.
This has been a productive day. If you can remember the pigeon and the goat taxi, you can remember the words. Well done. You made it through formal words, sweet words, and heroic connector words. That is genuinely impressive. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep repeating.
આ સાથે. મીઠીન. એથી. આથી. પરિણામે. તેમ છતાં.
And.
ખરેખર.
Out loud. Practice a little, laugh a little, and come back often. You are building real English to Gujarati skill, one funny sentence at a time.